Well, hello everybody. Not many people know when you start ripping a DVD, there are GUIs. Let's take makemkv here, for instance. It actually has a GUI that you can click your way through to actually copy your DVD. But the one that I end up using is makemkv, but it also has a console output, which is like the command line. And I've actually made a batch file that'll go through and open the disk and close the disk, start ripping anything that's over a certain amount of time. So here, let me actually open this up and give you a look at it. So I take and put everything into on my G drive into a ripped folder. Um, Then this batch file actually asks if I'm ripping TV shows or movies. You can put that information in, and then it sets the database for my renaming program, which is FileBot. Um, it then will close the disk, wait for a little bit of time, and run a for loop to actually look at the volume of the D drive, and then it sets the title to the name of that D drive. It'll actually open make a folder if it doesn't exist in my home area and give it the name of the DVD. Then it uses the makemkv console 64 to make an MKV, decrypt the disk, um, read from the drive. That's a direct input, and it'll copy anything that's 2,700 seconds long or longer from disk 0, and then put it all into that folder. Once that's done, it actually renames it because makemkv actually names it title 0, title 1, title 2, so on and so forth. I actually rename it to the name of the title, MKV, and then once that's done, it looks into that drive area and uses FileBot to rename it with the name, the year, and the certification, whether it's rated G, PG, R, so on and so forth. Then it'll clear the screen, and then it goes to next. Then it actually asks me if I want to do another one, and it says that in a computer voice to speak the text to do another one. And then I can actually input whether I want to do another one, whether I don't want to do another one, or whether I just want to go straight and start compressing with FFmpeg, or if I'm going to restart the batch file and maybe go from movies over to TV. If it does, I just compress it with FFmpeg. It recurses that folder, everything in that folder, and it does it to a constant rate factor of 24 with AAC of 160 kilobits. And then it goes from there. Let me actually, I'll start this, and let's gonna do a movie. Let's do Mystery Alaska here. So I'm gonna punch in MOV and hit enter. The drive opened up. Disk goes in. We'll hit the space bar. It closes. Now, makemkv is looking at the disk, trying to see what's there, and it's almost there. There we go. It saw it. It saw that there was Mystery Alaska in the drive. It's using direct disk access. I found one title of 13 cells, and now it's copying. I'm gonna put this into fast forward mode so it'll skip, but I'm going to sit here and record the whole thing. Okay, it should be getting a little close here. Should almost be ready. Let's ripped. See, here's Mystery Alaska. Here's the title 00. It's almost there. Oh, there's something happening in the background. Yep, it auto-detected it.
Want to do another one?
Wow, there it is. Want to do another one. And that's what I end up doing. I could either say yes or restart or compress. Let's see what it does when let's go C and then enter. And now it's going to start looking into, first it opens up the drive so I can take it back out, or the disk out. And then, let's put that back in its case. Let's press the button. It closes the disk drive. And now it goes straight to FFmpeg. And remember when I showed you in that, it's encoding to a constant rate format of 24, right there. So this should actually, it just does a medium level, well, it says high level, 3.1. It's basically just going to change it into an MKV, right into ripped. It actually makes a folder hold, and then it'll start doing that. And you can see, instead of it being the title 00, it's now Mystery Alaska. Let's minimize this. See? Mystery Alaska with the name, the year, and the certification, MKV. So right now it's doing that, and it's putting it into, let's go up one. Yep, see, there's the hold, and it's making Mystery Alaska there. It's going to compress it down to a certain size. So that's essentially what I end up doing for my DVDs, one right after the other. Well, I hope that actually helped some people out in learning a little bit about the command line and how to actually rip DVDs with makemkv. Thank you very much, and have a good day.